Hi and welcome to English with Tawfiq. This is the video 4 of our lessons. In this video we will learn about the verb can in questions quickly. No long lesson, just a short lesson where we focus on how to use the word you like a native. Can you to Kenya? Kenya. Okay, so can you in questions to Kenya? All right, try with me. Kenya, Kenya. All right, C sounds like k, k. Kenya. So the important thing that people forget about can, that the infinitive in English is the word to and the verb. For example, to buy, to go. Now the four most common, most popular verbs that take the infinitive, the to in front of the verb are I want, I need, I would like, I am going, to go, to buy, to work, to be, to have to, and the verb can is an exception. We say I can go, but never always I can to go or never I can going. And then questions will always change the word order. All right? Can I? Can you? Can we? Can they? Can he? Can she? Can it? Always remember that changing the word order, it's not correctable. Do in front of can. It's a very simple mistake, but sometimes people have these problems. Now the pronunciation is can you to Kenya. Kenya. Try with me. Kenya. Kenya. Okay guys, now time to train. Pause, listen and repeat. Pause, listen and repeat. Can you meet me in the city center tomorrow? Can you meet me in the city center tomorrow? Can you meet me in the city center tomorrow? Can you wait for me there, please? 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 Can you send me the link by email? 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 Can you help me with this, please? Can you help me with this, please? Can you help me with this, please? Can you give me the money tomorrow? Can you give me the money tomorrow? Can you give me money tomorrow? Can you tell me if it's possible to pay with credit card? Can you tell me if it's possible to pay with credit card? Can you tell me if it's possible to pay with credit card? Can you tell me if it's possible to pay with credit card? Okay guys, that ends video 4. I will see you in the next video when I'm gonna explain about where you to where ya. See you there guys.